My name is Jake England. I'm the Director of Operations for Boss Truck Shops. What we offer the professional driver and fleets that keep America moving is a total maintenance package. We do it all. We operate with tires, preventative maintenance, oil changes, mobile maintenance. We even operate in mechanical. Also inside of our scope of service is emergency roadside. We can diagnose almost anything on the side of the road, and if we can't, we can get you back to our shop where we can definitely take care of you.
My name is Paige Dixon. I started with Boss Shop at the Tulsa, Oklahoma location, and now I'm a general manager. What makes me the most proud is when I see that repeat customer. We bring him in, we diag it, we get it right, and then now he's back. We've built that trust with him, and we are now his shop.
With the technology that's coming through our bays nowadays, we are not going to be able to do the computer diagnostics that we need to keep America rolling without software like JPRO.
JPRO absolutely saves us time in the shop. We're no longer, having to guess at anything. Those technicians, they can pull a truck in, pinpoint the exact issue, and make that quick repair and get that driver back on the road. Whenever you plug into it, you can see the entire truck. We can see the engine, we can see the brakes, everything from front to back, all in one setting.
One of our founders, Fred Bosselman, said, "If you don't take care of our customers, somebody else will." Our team inside of our facilities takes that to heart every single day. When our technicians are working on trucks and trailers, we make it a point to get it done right the first time. JPRO is a critical tool that in today's age, you will not be able to function without.